So what you're seeing in front of you is called Trade Station. And this, you can see by this little green moniker up in the top left, I have the algorithm on. And you're looking at a futures contract right now. This is for the E-mini S&P 500, and the current contract is ESM 22. So every time this moves, it's currently trading at 4,264. If it goes up to 4,265, 1 point is $50. So 4,263 to 4 is $50. Every single point is $50. It's a very, very highly leveraged asset class. So last week when we were talking about Chair, who's a great trader, and then Coin, who is a shitty trader, I was like, I wonder if I can code any of this up. I wonder if I can somehow write some code where I just look to capture like 1 or 2 points per day. So that's exactly what I did. I wrote the code, and right now the way the code is set up, it's almost done, but this is where I need a little bit of your help. I just needed to be able to decide on a daily basis for that particular day, should we go long or should we go short? Other than that, it is automated and it is ready to create the position, and it also has an exit on close of the day or trying to capture $100 of profit. Those are the two. The entry is it gets in at 9:30. That's the entry. Is it 9:29? Okay, on the next bar, it is entering. We need to decide if it's going to go long or going to go short on the overall market. And then the exit is either $100 profit or the trading day is over. That's this entire system. It's a rudimentary system, but I actually think that the complexity is in how basic it is. So for today, just because this is test number 1, and I've actually never really even done something like this, I need everyone's help to decide if we're going long or short today. It's basically that simple. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to crowdsource this, because that's what all the best traders do. So it's going to trade, like this goes live in a couple minutes. So I need to know long or short. I'm going to ask you in a poll. All right, you guys need to cast your votes like ASAP, because we don't have much time. What were the results? 61% picked long and 660 people voted. Okay, so we're going long today. All right, you heard it. It just went long. The bell just went dingity ding ding. Oh, wait, no. It just filled. It just filled. What happened? It's going. Wait, you guys, I think we're right. Here we go. Come on, give me that $100. Order filled. Come on, give me the money. Give me the money.
Order filled.
All right, well, you guys just made me $100. Well, that was fun. So day 1 was a success. It worked. I just bet actual money, and I just actually made $100, and it was all because I crowdsourced it from you folks. We can run it again just for ha-has. We'll get a poll, so we're gonna either double dip or not. This is where we're getting dangerous. Usually you're only gonna be lucky on the first one, but let's see how it goes. What were the results? 57% short. Okay. Should we keep track of how good the community is at trading? Right now, you're just 1 for 1, 100%. Now we're your financial advisor. You guys have always been my financial advisor. I'm feeling good today. I have my Gap Daddy shirt on. Gap Daddy, which apparently you're not allowed to wear this in a lot of major establishments for whatever reason.
Get out! Out!
Oh, I really hope you guys know what you're doing. I'm nervous. Are you guys nervous? You should be nervous, because this is your call. Like, we all know about my trades, but now it's time to see how good at trading you folks are. You guys told me to go short, which is a bold move because the RSI is already oversold. Why did I let you guys talk me into this? Let's go. Let's go. 5 seconds. Look, Mom, no hands.
Order filled.
All right, it filled. We got the fill. Half the code worked. Now, will the other half of the code work? Wait, did it short 2? Wait, why did it double up the position? Uh-oh.
Order filled.
Well, we made money. I'm confused. I don't know what happened, but hey, you guys were right. You made me money. Well, it says my closed P&L is $182 on the day. We're just going to say you're 2 for 2. I see some people trying to say you're 3-0. We're not giving you 3-0. That was probably my fault on coding. We're going to say you guys are 2-0. Get us your own ETF. You guys statistically are now better than Kramer. You have produced $182. But I need you guys to go more and more and more, because we got to do cooler and cooler stuff with the money. Not only for the trades, but also what to do with the profits. and or losses. If you guys are like, man, that's a lot of losses, Matt, maybe you should leave the country. We're just going to crowdsource the whole thing. You know, there's a lot of people, even myself, I'm always like community, community, community. It's time for us to actually behave like a community. I'm just going to let you control it. You're going to control the trades and Chair. Well, Chair is going to be involved in this as well. You're going to control the trades. You're going to control what we do with the money, wins, losses. It's us as a team. It's us as a team. I think you guys can now all add to your resume that you're a financial advisor. Do you guys want to go for another one? This is going to get dangerous. Like, this is just pure gambling. This is so stupid. All right. You haven't led me astray yet, but this has to be the final one of the day. We can't just like keep abusing this. So one more poll. Matt, we've never been wrong. That is true. You've never been wrong. I just need to trust the process. You guys are right. You've never been wrong. It's so close. You guys were almost 50-50. You were 53-46. We're going long. Oh, man. Are you guys sure about this long thing? It kind of feels like we've exclusively sold off all day. Why did you vote long? So, thus far, you're 2 for 2. You've crushed it.
Order filled.
You guys went long, and right away it goes red. Son of a bitch. Come on. Give us the fill.
Give us the money.
No. Other way. No, son of a bitch. All right, there we go. Let's buy that up. Let's go. Give us the fill. Give us the fill. Where's the money? Come on. A little bit higher. Just a little tap at home. A little tappy. Well, why didn't you pick short? I just want to clarify that this is all your fault, not my fault. Demerit. You all get demerits. I'm not mad. I'm just disappointed. I take it back. I am also mad at you. I'm mad and disappointed. Matt, kick all the longs 15-minute timeout. I do. Part of me does want to permanently ban all the people who voted long. All right. That's a little bit agreed. We're getting it back together. We're coming back together. All right. No, wrong way. Just want to... Damn it. This is all your fault. This is disgusting. It's like, do you guys even care? Like, are you guys even drinking cappuccinos in your Gap Daddy shirt? We were teaching you... There we go. Okay. Looks like someone knows what they're talking about. Let's go. Come on. Bring it home. We're locking in. There we go. I never doubted you for a second, team. Moon Gang. That's what we're all about. We just locked in $291 on the day. You guys are 3 for 3. 3 for 3, team. I didn't doubt you for a second. I did not doubt you for a second. I know sometimes in the heat of the moment, things get a little bit crazy, but you guys crushed it today. I know I'm not a scientist or anything, but that sounds like to me, we have $291 to kind of bet on whatever we want with. So basically the option is you guys either have to be perfect or it's game over. Because like one loss is most likely going to be unsustainable relative to our wins. Because if we lose, that means we held it like all day. And there's a good chance that that could be like a multi-$1,000 loss. So this is a game where like, I don't think we can lose. Like I was thinking about this last night and this morning when I was doing this, like writing up the code. I was like, if we lose once, it's probably game over. All right. We're going to do one more. S&P 500, basically this one right here. Do you think it's going up or down? S&P 500. How do you think this one's going? Let's see the results. 52% short. Well, what I didn't tell you about this one, it was a double bet. I didn't want to tell you guys before because I thought it might freak you out, but now we're going for 200.
Order filled.
Order filled. Bada bing, bada boom, off to a good start. I like that. All right. Keep going. Let's go. A little bit more. Just tap it home. Come on. Did it fill? Did it
Order
fill?
filled.
There we go. There we go. Easy peasy lemon squeezies, folks. We locked in $476 on the day. You folks are officially 4 for 4 with one of those bets being a double profit target bet. Congratulations. That was easy. Arguably, you have a much better performance than Jim Cramer, which is actually pretty nuts. Oh man, oh man, oh man. It is, I know it seems dumb, and maybe this is like more of a like OCD type of a thing, but it feels weird to end on like a 4 out of 4 thing. Like at that point, like you should have ended on 3 out of 3, or you should have ended on 5 out of 5, but like 4 out of 4 just feels weird. At this point, just because I think we're allowed to have fun, we're going 5 for 5. Let me give a poll. You guys better be good, because you got to be right, like fast, like lightning fast, the way you were last time. The shorts edged it out by a couple votes. I hope you're feeling confident. That was actually like our closest vote of the day. But yet, we got to play by the rules of the game. All right.
Order filled.
Order filled. No. Yes, down. All right, we were just, really, is it going to taunt us like that? We were 1 tick away from getting our fill. That's brutal. Like, just give us our
Order
money.
filled.
Boom. Done. Easy. All right, you guys officially have locked in $598, and you went 5 for 5. Congratulations. You are all winners. All right, so let me write that down. A little bit in the journal here. Dear Diary, April 26th. Dear Diary, today my digital friends at Moon Gang Capital went 5 for 5, 100% accuracy, and made $598 after trading fees. Super good start to this new business venture. TTYL. Perfect. Nailed it. We crushed it, team. We crushed it. Okay, so you guys did make 600 today, but if we just took a short at the open, that would be up 2,500 right now. Like if we just took one position and held that position short until this exact moment, it would be up somewhere between 2,000 and 2,500, closer to 2,500. At this moment in time, we would be up like 2,350-ish right now. If we just took that one position at the start. That's how much this market has come down. We need to scale this up. So instead of 600, it's 6K. And then we need to 10X that. And so instead of 6K, it's 60K. We got to go bigger and bigger. We don't want to cash out now. This is like when you're on a win streak at the roulette table. You don't just walk away. You ask yourself, how can I 10X this money?